While some people have been happily beta testing the new Android 14 update, many Samsung fans have been curious as to when they could expect to see the big update land on their device. Until now, we've only had rumors that mention the possible list of devices that are scheduled to receive the update. But now we have an official confirmation directly from Samsung themselves. A few days ago, Samsung published a blog post that detailed some tips on how to make the most out of the AI camera on your Galaxy smartphone or tablet. The whole thing mostly seems to be a list of features that are currently planned for the big OneUI 6 update, but then we see an annotation that talks about which devices will support these new features. So let's scroll down to the bottom to check on the annotations. And we can find that it's here where it specifically mentions their plans on updating the entire Galaxy S23 series with Android 14. This includes the base model of the Galaxy S23, the larger Galaxy S23 Plus, and the more premium Galaxy S23 Ultra. We then see the complete Galaxy S22 series listed here. So we can expect the smaller Galaxy S22, the larger Galaxy S22 Plus, and the top of the line Galaxy S22 Ultra will all receive the update to Android 14. This article also mentions the entire Galaxy S21 series will receive the OneUI 6 update as well, which includes the regular Galaxy S21, the bigger Galaxy S21 Plus, and of course the Galaxy S21 Ultra as well. And while some people didn't think that the S20 series or the Note 20 series would receive this big update, you can all now rest assured that Samsung does currently have plans on updating all of the phones in both of these series. Now, if you have purchased one of Samsung's recent foldables, then you may also be wondering if you will get the Android 14 update too. And it has now been confirmed that the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the Z Flip 5, Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, Z Fold 2, Z Flip 5G, and the Z Flip LTE will all be getting updated to OneUI 6.0. And last up, I wanted to point out that flagship devices aren't the only Samsung Galaxy smartphones scheduled to receive this big over-the-air update. In this blog post, we can now confirm that the Samsung Galaxy A53 and the Galaxy A54 will both be updated to Android 14. Sadly, we cannot say when any of these over-the-air updates are scheduled to be released, at least not right now. But we are expecting to see the suite of Galaxy S23 models receive the update first, likely starting with the S23 Ultra. Samsung has a history of rolling out these new firmware updates to select regions first as an early test to see if there are any widespread bugs that need to be fixed first. And as long as everything goes smoothly, we should then see the Galaxy S23 series getting the OneUI 6 update throughout the rest of the world before moving on to the latest foldable device. If you've had a chance to beta test OneUI 6 on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or tablet, then let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. I've been waiting for the stable update to be released before testing it on my device here.